E aí galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de Red Dead Redemption 2. Peço pra todos que estiverem chegando, deixa o like, não vai custar nada. Participem da comunidade Discord, participem da Twitch. E hoje galera, nós vamos continuar aqui as aventuras de Arthur Morgan. Na última parte que nós parou. A última parte praticamente hoje... Saint-Denis. Na última parte praticamente nós vamos explorar a nova região aqui. Vamos começar. Esperar o jogo carregar. A última parte eu acho que nós estávamos explorando aqui a região. Aí caçamos um cervo lendário. É, foi isso mesmo. Esperar o jogo carregar aqui. Esperar o jogo carregar aqui, galera. Nós vai explorar uma nova região. Aqui. Vamos lá, vamos lá. Vamos lá, vamos lá. Tá demorando aqui, mas... Finalmente, né? Pelo amor de Deus. Estamos com essa roupa. Ah, aqui é um local de peixe lendário. Vamos para novo acampamento. 8h24 da manhã. Vamos dar uma fumada. O Arthur já tá meio...
Another day, huh, Arthur? Morning.
Nós estamos em Lacai, né? O acampamento. Vou trocar a roupa do Arthur e colocar aquela roupa clássica.
Hi.
Hey, Mary Beth.
Hello.
Morning to you.
Let's hope for a good
E aí,
day.
Big Game?
Hey, Abigail.
Hello. Hello, Julie. Mary Beth?
Good morning.
Uh-huh.
Mr. Strauss.
Hello.
É, o pessoal tá querendo...
Long day ahead.
Vamos ver como tá o Dutch. Dutch tá lá sentado.
White to D4. Black to F5. White to G3. Knight to F6. Bishop to G2. Black to G6.
O que você tá falando, Dutch? Tá enlouquecendo, né?
To F3. White to... You okay there? Working it all out
Aham.
once and for all, Arthur.
É uma terra de Murphys.
We're back.
E agora?
And I'm sitting here,
Estamos de volta.
and I
E
am
estou sentado aqui.
contemplating the great journey of the sun and considering a famous chess
Uma jornada
move.
famosa de xadrez.
Those oily actors of a mediocre justice, the
Ah,
Pinkertons,
justiça
and the
medíocre.
benefactor, the depressing millionaire Leviticus
O
Cornwall.
milionário simplesmente
They
Leviticus
want
Cornwall.
us, Arthur. They want us. And they are
Want us.
going to have us.
Maybe they ain't the problem.
Meaning,
I don't know.
O que você quer dizer? Eu não sei, é só
I
que
can't help but feel we would have been better running off someplace else.
but the game
Algum
ain't
outro
over,
lugar.
Arthur. I mean, I ain't played my...
Devemos procurar uma nova moradia, né, primeiro.
I guess I'm more interested in saving lives than winning at chess.
And maybe life ain't
E
such a
vencer no
thing to
xadrez.
cling on to so tightly.
No doubt. What about the women?
You sound like Jose.
Quantas mulheres?
Miss.
É, o Zé se foi, né?
I asked you
Really?
a question.
Eu te fiz uma
do you
pergunta.
think?
Olha lá.
We can't stay here. That much is
Não
obvious.
podemos
Where are we
ficar
gonna
aqui.
run to? I mean, they chased us from the west. They chased us over the mountains. They ran us into the sea.
Arthur,
Aham.
do you have my
Arthur.
bag?
Always, Dutch. But there's
Sempre,
more than your
Dutch.
back to worry about. We need more money. We've been on the run
Nós
for
precisamos
months.
de mais dinheiro.
I seen
A gente tá
you
fugindo de
killing
Amês. E eu
folk in
tenho...
cold blood, like you always told me not to. And I'm sorry, but I can't help but think that if we just...
There is country.
Só que a gente
Roanoke
tem um
Ridge,
lugar
Butcher Creek.
na
I
Serra
believe we can
Uonoque.
hold.
Okay.
Acho que
You
conseguimos
and Charles
segurar.
take
E
folks
você-
up that way.
Vocês
Micah.
podem levar as pessoas pra lá. Micah.
And I need to do some reconnaissance.
E eu faremos um pouco de
I ain't got a
reconhecimento.
final plan yet.
Ainda não tenho o plano
Arthur,
final.
I ain't got it.
Arthur, eu não tenho.
I just need time. I need
Ah,
time
sei.
and no traitors.
Vamos lá, chamar o Charles.
Will you leave me to think now?
Charles, be right with me.
Always.
Sempre.
Where are we headed?
Up past Butcher Creek.
Smurfy.
Straight to Picture. Isso é território dos Murphys.
Well, I'm asking you to ride with me.
Understand.
Os
What are we
Murphys.
doing?
Nossa.
We're looking for a place to hole up. Even the law won't follow us up there too willingly.
Yeah. I did some scouting up there while you boys were away.
And?
E você vai ver.
I know the way. Follow me.
Okay, fella. We need to get this done fast. Pinkertons will have reinforced in another day or two.
Yeah.
Os
The sooner we
Pinkerton,
get
né?
out of here, the better. It's quite a ride up there. I saw some canoes near the bridge upriver, which would take us right up to Butcher Creek. Might be quicker. What do you think?
Ha! Yeah, a boat's probably a good idea.
Okay, good.
Certo, ótimo. Ir de barco.
It's good to see you again, Charles.
You too.
Thanks for what you did in Saint Denis. Real brave drawing them off us like. I was worried you and Abigail had both got yourselves killed.
I found a spot to lie low for a while, then managed to get a ride with a wagon of workers heading out to the fields. Abigail said she somehow managed to slip away when they grabbed Hosea.
A Abigail
You
conseguiu
did
conseguir
good
escapar.
getting the others out of there. Keeping everyone together.
Ah, o
Everybody
Charles
was pretty
cuidou
shaken
também,
up when
né?
I got back to Shady Belle.
Achei
It was a
agora.
tough few days. I couldn't have done it without Sadie.
So how
A
did you
Sadie-
find
Sadie,
that
né?
spot back there? I assume the skulls on sticks weren't in addition to yours.
Old Strauss knew about it. The locals are terrified of the place, so we figured that might buy us some time. And it did. Until one of you brought the law with you. Where did you end up again? Cuba?
Oh, not
Cuba
exactly.
é.
An
Tava
island
na ilha de Guarma.
called Warma. Landed ourselves in a heap of trouble.
Really? A tropical island. Isn't that just what Dutch wanted?
I guess it didn't
Yeah.
exactly live up to his ideals. Anyway, I ain't always sure Dutch knows what he wants anymore.
Perhaps not. But he's always managed to figure things out in the past.
I know. You're right. Just
Você tem razão, só tem sido dias difíceis, né?
Guess I just miss Hosea and his wisdom, you know?
Of course.
Isso aqui é uma região totalmente nova, né, que a gente vai.
There's the bridge. Oh, come on. There should be some canoes down to the right here. Well, I see one anyway. That'll do. Come on.
Ô, região que não para de chover.
You getting in? What are you doing? Let's go.
Calma, meu.
Okay. Butcher Creek is a few miles upriver. So I spent some time up this way while you were gone. random
Great
rains
picture.
fall and the eagle flies. The Indians? I've been
Sabe
trying
os
to help
índios?
out where I can at the reservation. Things are bad there.
That's not a surprise. They seem to be in a lot of trouble and heading into more.
Some men there spoke a lot about the Murphy gang that hides out in these caves. We're gonna need to be careful. They're animals. Everyone is terrified of them.
Os Murphys, né?
Dutch didn't mention this.
Well, hiding up here, it's not a crazy idea. This is a spot nobody comes near, even the law.
Nem as autoridades, né?
It won't be pretty.
So be it.
Oh, estamos indo de barco. Nossa, anoiteceu. Vamos lá, Murphy. Aqui é uma nova região, né? Onde que estamos? Estreito Pilcher. Von Horn.
That's Butcher Creek up ahead.
O Estreito Pilcher.
The locals.
Well, they don't look too friendly.
Until you meet the Murphys. All right, let's walk it from here. Good evening.
You know how we get to the caves at Beaver Hollow?
You'll get away if you know what's good for you.
Come on, they're not gonna help us. I'm pretty sure it's to the north, up the road here.
Can you help us? We're trying to find a spot called Beaver Hollow.
We don't take kindly to outsiders around here.
Ah, você vai gostar.
You know the way to Beaver Hollow? Hey, partner!
Asswipe.
Yeah, I know. Ain't no big deal to a tough guy like you.
Luta dos castores, né?
Bit of a walk. You could grab those horses if you want. Probably won't miss them if we get back to the morning.
Uma boa
See
caminhada
why
então.
folks don't want to come around here. Ain't exactly a welcoming place.
Lots of stories of people going missing around these parts. Just recently, a stagecoach from Mannesburg disappeared without a trace coming through here.
Guess that's good for
Quem é
us.
Blur?
Assuming these inbred bastards are willing to part with their home, which I'm sure
A
they
terra
won't
dos
be too
Murphy, né?
pleased about.
No. But I believe they hide out all over Roanoke Ridge. These caves are just one of their spots. Which is why we should keep it down. They might have lookouts around.
Okay.
Da hora.
You see that up ahead? Slow down, keep it quiet. It could be some of them. I say we dismount here and follow them on foot. See where they're going. Follow me and stay quiet. Let's go, Arthur. Let's get closer to him.
A terra dos Murphys, então.
Come on, up this way.
É uma nova região.
Definitely Murphy's. I say we deal with them from here. You take one, I'll take the other.
Because I do the skinning.
Well, how about I do this?
Quick, Arthur.
Do the carrying.
You're a son of a bitch. You know that?
You
What the hell?
stupid! That was close. We must be close now. Let's stop and have a look from the top of this hill there.
Ah, vamos pegar a tocha.
Come on.
Da caverna. Ok.
Let's see what's going on.
That's the stagecoach we're missing.
Jesus.
Nossa!
They
Eles
must
são
be in the
sanguinários, hein?
cave. All right. Let's get on with this.
São canibais.
Okay. What you think? We can head into the cave or flush them out with dynamite.
Dinamite. Esquilhar-se.
Dynamite be safer.
Here. Let's be quiet and hope they don't come out. Let's get this over with.
Por falar em gangues, vamos ver as gangues aqui. Como que tá o programa? Progresso total. Vamos ver, ó. Ainda não está no capítulo 5. Deixa eu ver. Vamos ver as gangues aqui. Saqueador de Lemônio. Eu já matei todos, né? Progresso total. Encontro. 2. Ah, eu extingui os saqueadores de Lemônio. Os saqueadores de Lemônio foram fundados por um grupo de homens que lutou lado a lado no exército. Na Guerra Civil, ao longo dos anos, a gangue atraiu novos membros da coisa. A Corja dos Murphys. Outro risco. Ainda tem muito outro risco aí, né? Vivo. Acredita-se que a corja dos Murphy migrou com os Estados Unidos na década de 1700, onde viviam confortavelmente. A indústria estacionária levou a família a viver numa vila isolada nas colinas. A família reside em uma caverna, na Gruta dos Castores, aventurando-se apenas nas proximidades para caçar e vasculhar. E outras gangues aqui não foram descobertas ainda.
Okay. Get in a bit closer and then throw it into the cave. Hey. Dynamite, Arthur. Light that stick and throw it in there.
Não! Não! Seu idiota! Matei o Charles também.
Let's get this over with. Okay. Get in a bit closer and then throw it into the cave.
Minha nossa senhora.
Light that stick and throw it in there.
Não, tirou não! Ai, caralho.
Let's get this over with. Okay. Get in a bit closer and then throw it into the cave. Hey. Dynamite on
The time's on, ninjas!
Here they come!
You were wrong about these crazy sons of bitches!
Vamos acabar com todos eles.
Let's move on!
Toma, mais dinamite.
Someone's down there! She's alive!
Estão lá na frente.
You're dead now, you piece of shit!
Sai da frente!
get that poor girl out of the cage.
Don't touch me. Please don't kill me. Stay away from me.
Ah, caverna legal.
We ain't gonna hurt you. It's okay, miss. Just calm down.
Calma aí, calma aí. Nossa, ela tá desesperada.
It's okay. It's okay. You're
Calma,
safe.
calma, calma.
It's okay.
Nossa, esses são verdadeiros animais. Vamos.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
Nossa, eu ter passando pesadelo.
Let's go. Where you from?
Annisburg.
What do we
Annisburg.
do with her?
Take her there and I'll go get the others.
Sure. Miss,
Coitada.
you okay to ride on my horse a little? I'll keep you safe.
Vamos levar ela até Annisburg.
Annisburg, right?
Yes. They did,
It's okay, miss.
the others, they killed them.
You're safe now. Just try to breathe.
They're animals.
I know.
Annisburg. Vamos lá.
It's all right, miss.
Why would they?
Some folks is just evil. Ain't no point trying to explain it.
I haven't slept in days.
Enquanto isso, o Charles tá indo lá buscar o resto da gangue.
Miss,
Pra morar
it's
aqui.
okay.
Meredith.
You're gonna be home
Meredith.
soon, Meredith.
Ah,
And this will all be over.
Thank you.
Where in Annisburg?
One of the mining cottages. If you get me to the main street, I can show you from there.
Okay. Just try to relax now. Yeah.
tá amanhecendo. Annisburg.
Slow up now.
Annisburg é nova cidade, né?
Just head for the main street. It'll be easier to walk from there.
Yeah.
Legal, legal. Annisburg. Legal.
Mister? Fine morning to you. Hi there, ma'am.
Morning.
Tem uma ferrovia do trem que passa aqui, central.
Yes.
Senhorita, ó, graças a Deus.
Thank God.
Which place is yours?
Up at the top of the hill. It's near the blacksmith.
Come on, then.
Ma! Ma! Meredith! She's alive!
Meredith.
Oh, she's
Ela
alive!
está viva.
You saw some pretty bad things, I'm afraid, ma'am. Murphy group got
Oh,
it.
my darling. How did you
Forja
manage?
dos
I just
Murphy.
ran into them and found her.
Oh, thank you. Here, let me give you this.
Thank you. Aceitar ou recusar?
Oh, that's okay, ma'am. You just keep her warm and keep her safe.
Hã?
Mrs. Downs?
Oh, no.
Senhorita Downs?
Leave me alone.
Ah, não.
You just leave
Me
me
deixa em
alone.
paz.
Thanks, buddy.
Obrigado, amigo. Vou voltar para novo acampamento. Ah, nossa nova casa.
How you get on?
Okay. Found a girl. Took her home.
Oh,
You and Micah find anything?
Você e o Mike,
maybe.
acharam
I
alguma
think
coisa?
maybe. I
Talvez.
found our old friend Mr. Cornwall.
You did?
Senhor
Yeah,
Cornwall.
he's buying a stake in the
Hey.
mine in Annisburg.
Relentlessly ambitious fella, isn't he?
Mike and I'll sniff about, see if he knows we're here, and exactly what his plans are.
So, Dutch, did you miss me?
Hã? O que tá acontecendo?
Drunk in Saint Denis.
You're back.
Ah,
How
senhorita
jolly,
lá,
Mr.
você voltou.
O'Shea.
you
Que alegria,
suck
senhorita
Back
O'Shea.
and
You,
drunk.
the Master, the Lord
Molly.
God Almighty.
O'Shea,
down.
oh, ela tá louca. Olha lá.
Dutch Vanderlyn, I am him. I ain't her. Or any of your stooges.
Calm
You don't
yourself.
owe me nothing.
Miss.
I don't owe you nothing. Nothing.
Okay.
I'll spit in your eye.
Ok.
I did. I told them.
Senhorita O'Shea,
Sorry?
Yeah, I told
como
them
é que é?
I'd tell
Are
them again.
sorry?
Now I've got God's ear.
told-
Agora eu chamei a atenção. Contou o que? Pra quem? Sr. Milton e o Sr.
About
Ross.
the bank robbery, and I wanted them to kill you.
You did what?
I loved you, you goddamn bastard. Go on,
She's
shoot me.
crazy. She ain't worth it.
You told
ela não vale a
on
pena.
me.
Oh,
You
you're not so
betrayed
big now,
me.
are you?
Fine.
Just calm down.
Quieto.
Arthur,
Fique calmo, Ted.
Get her out of here.
you know the
Oh,
rules.
not so big
Você
now.
conhece as regras.
Hurry, your majesty.
You...
Você... Joga, Damon. Olha lá. Matou ela, senhora O'Shea.
She knew the rules, Arthur. What the hell is wrong with you? Mr. Pearson, Mr. Williamson, get this
Mr.
body out of
Pearson,
here and get it
Williamson.
burnt.
Okay.
Now get back to work, all of you.
Ah,
Quit your lollygagging. Get
chega
back
de
to
moleza.
work.
Que situação, hein? E agora entramos pro capítulo 6, Luta dos Castores. Ai, ai, vamos explorar um novo acampamento aqui. Será que se passaram mais alguns dias? Que hora, cara. Que coisa, cara. A senhora O'Shea foi de bala. O Arthur não tá muito bem, não.
You're a nasty woman, Miss Crenshaw. A nasty woman. You think I wanted to shoot her? You seem to like it. I saw that beady look in your eye. You're drunk again. And you're a fucking murderer. She broke the rules. She did no such thing. She was in love. You sour-faced old crow. Goddamn you. Murderer.
Hello? Pearson?
Qual os ânimos tá aqui?
Hey, Reverend.
Greetings.
Hey, Karen.
Only way to start the day.
How are you, Cope?
Mary Beth?
Trying to drink my way through it.
How you doing with all this?
I'm pretty low right now.
Hi, Mary Beth.
Hello.
Ah, um novo acampamento.
Listen to me. All of you. Listen. We're here. And we are safe now. And that is the main thing. Listen to me. You have got to keep faith. You've got to. Now, I know. I miss Jose. I surely do. I miss every man and every woman.
A Mole entregou a gente, o Tante.
I do. And I would die in their place gladly if I could.
Acho. Cala a boca, Tante.
This world is unkind. But it won't break me.
You want to sit, Arthur?
Not while I have you by my
Hi,
side.
Charles. How are you doing?
Do you really need to ask?
We'll do something about it then.
I'm on your side. Shut up.
Look, I'm sorry. Guess I'm just tired.
Glad you're feeling lighthearted.
And I promise, whosoever stands by my side, they won't catch you neither. They won't.
You gonna get up?
Vamos explorar essa caverna aqui. A Molly entregou a gente, acho que isso explica uma das coisas tão fácil. Ela apareceu bêbada e com a língua solta. Tentou de tudo para a gente, ela estava tão patética que queria preocupar sua vida, mas o Sr. Crenshaw enfiou uma bala nela no fim. Acho que foi o certo. Acho que não tinha muito o que fazer, né? Isso aconteceu no nosso novo acampamento, no alto de uma região terrível. Terras baldias da pior tipo que se pode achar na parte do leste. O lugar estamos escondidos de um bando de assassinos. Os Murphys são alguma besteira do tipo, ela como se chamavam. E tiramos de alguns deles, mas tem mais na espreita na floresta em volta desse lugar. Não sabia que vai demorar muito até os Pinketers encontrarem a gente de novo. Só espero que a gente possa continuar na frente deles por um tempo, desde que a gente não se atrapalhe. Caverna grande aqui.
Morning, Morgan. God, why is everyone acting so crazy, Morgan?
I guess folk are real scared.
We'll be fine. We always have been. Now, Dutch will see us good.
I hope so.
Not you as well. Another fella doubting them? You know, I thought more of you, Morgan.
This situation here is far too complicated for your tiny mind.
I don't want to hear it out of you, okay?
Charles?
Pitiable. But it'll happen to you too. They'll stop looking soon.
Nossa, tá todo mundo usando uma flor da pele.
Won't be so friendly neither. Tell her, Mr. Morgan. Tell her about time.
I don't know too much about time, Miss. That's a bit beyond me.
Well, maybe I'll get lucky and die first.
Yes. Well, get to work. Vanity won't help you, young or old.
Always good to see you.
Yes?
Hi.
Bring me something soon if you can, Arthur. All right, Pierce. Well, I'll take what I can get. Fine, but make sure you get a good price for it. Thank you, Arthur. Oh, Arthur.
What is it, Arthur?
Hi, Dutch.
That.
Get out of here. Would you kindly give me a decent... Hey, don't be poking around in here. If there's nothing you need, will you get out of here?
That's the best you got?
Are you trying to be funny?
Hey, I'm only trying to improve the mood a bit.
You're clearly not a well man.
Mary Beth,
huh?
Morning to you.
Morning, Arthur.
Vamos dormir na outra manhã.
Morning.
Hey! Up.
What, Arthur?
Okay. I'm sorry. Just a lot on my mind right now.
I'm tired, Arthur. You making it through this?
Another day.
Just awful. Can't handle the
I
tension
pierce you.
around here. Ain't much good these days. Morning.
Tomar pouco de café. Qual o nome desse acampamento onde nós tá? Pierce Hope, Gruta dos Castores.
Hey, Charles.
Morning, Arthur.
Micah. Hey,
Vocês estão
Dutch.
conversando?
Hello, Arthur.
How are you, Cole?
It's all coming together.
Hi, Reverend.
Yes, Arthur. Have a seat. Glad you're here.
Vamos explorar mais essa região.
What, Micah?
Morning. Hello, Mary Beth.
Hi.
Yeah!
Uma região completamente nova.
Yep.
Hey! Can you?
O que aconteceu, rapaz?
I need medicine.
This don't look good. What happened? Drink
me
up.
burns. Oh! Oh!
Calma.
Oh, thank you. Reckon I was done for there. Oh. 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 The butt of that plant over there, and it hit my guts like a freight train. Oh. Oh. It's that little one over there with the pink flowers. I'd stay well clear of that if I was you.
Yeah, I think you've sold me on that plan.
Tell me about it.
Ok, cara. Vamos investigar os moradores daqui.
Howdy.
Where are you supposed to be? It ain't here. All right, then, let's just all skid out.
Hey, ma'am.
Top of the morning.
Hey, boy.
Hey,
Out of the damn way.
take my soul.
Oh, sorry.
Hardy ha. Damn fool.
Mister?
Asswipe.
Morning.
Even straight, the sharpest knife in the drawer.
Não tem um cara até formado aqui, ó.
Hey, mister.
That's real pretty. I love listening to you play. Stop. Just stop.
There's no
Calm down.
Yes, very amusing, I'm sure. I ain't pretty much enough of you!
You should step out.
Come on!
You. All right. Time to go, boy. Yep. Easy there. Yeah.
É.
Easy. Come on. Yeah.
Que região é essa?
Yeah. Giddy up. Yep. Yeah. Easy. Help. Shit. Yeah. Whoa.
Tem uma missão aqui.
Yep. Whoa.
Vou matar esse desgraçado.
What's wrong with you?
O que acontece se eu seguir os trilhos aqui? Opa, Central União. Estão fazendo um trilho de trem. Quem que é isso aqui?
Easy there. Hello, sir.
Don?
You, mister, excuse me.
Legal.
Good morning, sir.
Well, the cattleman drank himself to death the other day.
How's it going there?
Thirsty.
Not good. Look at this useless bunch. Moving at a snail's pace.
Ah, estão construindo um trilho de trem aqui. É do Levitt Source Cornwall, não é?
Morning to you.
Hello. Stay back from the tracks. Won't be my fault if you get hurt.
Okay there?
Fool.
Morning.
Morning, partner.
Got your hands full there.
Paid to do his job. Do it.
Aqui deve ser o capataz.
Hey, you! Come here a minute.
What do you need?
Oh. Thanks for stopping, sir. Thank you.
Obrigado por passar, senhor. Obrigado.
Central Union
Percy
Railroad Company.
Whitsick, Companhia Ferrovia Central Union.
Maybe you can help me.
Talvez você
What am
possa
I-
me ajudar. Dos meus.
What am I?
Dos meus.
One of my workers has been stealing wages. 3 weeks running. I have searched everyone and everywhere 10 times
Everyone.
over. Of course, no one is talking. The way they look at me.
What's all this got to do with me?
Oh, I think I need someone a little more neutral. A little more persuasive. You look like you're and I gotta watch the camp, so... Could you see what you could sniff out? I'll pay you for your efforts, of course.
Yeah, I got it. What exactly
Sim,
is
pode
it you
deixar
want me
comigo.
to do?
Find the thief and recover the money. And give him his marching orders. I'm not one for matters of personnel. Look for anyone sneaking off the line. They've got to be stashing it away from camp somewhere. Well,
União.
can you help me? My head is on the block here.
I'll see what I can do.
Thank you. Thank you.
No complaining.
Acampamento Ferrovia União.
Done. If you're gonna talk, talk English.
Ah, um grupo de trabalhadores constrói um novo trecho de ferrovia.
Not too good, let me tell you.
Central União. Ah, da hora. Ah, é uma ferrovia que interliga aqui, né? O outro. Ah, tô vendo os trilhos de trem aqui, ó.
Could be worse.
For honest pay, and you steal from us. It's disgusting. Come on. Come on. What are you doing over here?
Howdy, fellas.
Hello, sir. Hello. 長樹賓搞到隔離島死咗3個人啦。
All right, I gotta go for a piss. Y'all
Morning,
keep
Pete.
早晨。
I'll hear it if you don't.
你估我哋陣間食飯有冇？
Ah, o aprendiz de capataz tem algo estranho.
I'm not sure if this is a rumor or not, but they said the Cornwall Railroad and Central Union are in a big fight.
Oh,
You ready to return that money you stole?
okay, okay. All right. I'm leaving. The money is in the tree. Just please don't kill me.
Tá na árvore. Ah, vamos ver. E aí, senhor?
I got your money. Here. You are gonna need a new junior foreman, though. He just passed away under tragic circumstances.
Randall? That dirty rat.
Randall?
You didn't have to kill him, though. My God. Well, here. Take some for payment. I want to give you more, but I got a funeral to arrange.
Funeral.
I saw this hunter bring a bear to sell in town.
All right. Guess I'll leave you to it. Mister?
Hello.
Okay, fella.
Ai, ai. Vamos passando aí nisso.
Easy.
Hello there. Would you be able to help me out again?
Ah, aquele cara de novo, William.
I could use some assistance gathering herbs for my studies.
What are you after?
I need to collect a big batch of this currant here. You'll find the fruits hanging from bushes. It doesn't thrive near water, so I wouldn't waste your time looking there.
Eu já tenho as frutas, toma.
Let's have a good look at this. Yeah, this is perfect. This will make a fine meal for my horse, if I don't keep it all for myself. When I drink a tonic from these currants, it's like the clouds fall away. I can focus on anything. You have earned something for all your help. This tonic. It has taken me years to develop, with innumerable benefits to your senses and spirit. Save it for a special occasion. Now, if you don't mind, I'll be getting back to my studies. I look forward to our next meeting, traveler.
I can see why you do this. All the best to you.
Thanks, Arthur. And to you.
You know, after all this, I think you're just wasting your time.
Really? Well, you're welcome to your opinion, as I'm open to mine.
Eita. Nós temos que fazer aquelas missões do prefeito também. É uma nova região completamente nova para ser explorada. Luta dos Castores, aí sim. Tem que fazer aqui a missão do Timboy Galway. Vai caramba, cavalo. Cuidado aí. Opa, opa, opa. O que tá acontecendo? Opa, o Arthur tá doente, hein? Pera aí! Mister. O que aconteceu aqui? O Arthur tá...
Are you okay? Mister, are you okay? Are you okay, mister?
Mister.
Mister, you don't look so good. Let's get you to a doctor.
Vamos te levar pro médico.
Come on, it's not far. Just down the street here.
Give me a minute. Give me a minute.
Me dá um segundo, só um segundo.
I'll be fine in a minute. I'm fine.
Nearly there, just around this corner. Whole lot of ugly business here. Now you head in there, friend. Go on.
Nossa, na encruzilhada.
Can I help you?
I need a doctor.
Oh, just 1 second, sir.
Come in, pal. Come in.
O Arthur tá com tuberculose. Quer apostar quantos?
Mister, I need some help.
And so it seems. And that's Dr. Mister to you?
I'm sorry.
I was joking. Look, friend, I don't mean nothing, but you got money?
A cara do
I
Arthur.
mean, before I start treating you, because I got a family.
I understand. Here, that do you?
Sure. Thank you.
Sure.
What's wrong? I mean, what appear to be the symptoms?
Well, I think you've heard them. I'm coughing.
Is there any blood?
Sometimes.
Às
Okay,
vezes.
now here. Breathe.
Certo, agora. Eita, pô.
Let me see your tongue. Say ah.
What is it?
It's not good
Nessa
news.
época não tinha cura pra tuberculose. Bom, eu imaginei.
You got tuberculosis.
Ah,
Really sorry for you,
tuberculose.
son. It's a hell of a thing.
What you mean?
You're real sick. It's a progressive disease. And you'll be. Well, the best
vai
thing
estar.
is rest.
Bom, a melhor coisa a
Getting
fazer é
somewhere
descansar aí.
warm and dry and taking it easy. Now, is that
com
possible?
calma.
Sure, I can just take my winters in my
Posso
country
passar meus
club
invernos no meu.
in California.
Ah,
No, it's not possible.
não.
Well,
Bom,
like I said, I'm real sorry.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, wait.
espera um pouco.
Let me get you a little bit more.
Deixa eu te dar um
energy
pouco
today.
mais. Olha a cara do Arthur. O que o Arthur vai fazer o resto da sua vida
We
agora?
can't change what's done. We can only move on.
Triste, hein? Muito triste.
You have it in you, I can tell.
He didn't have a choice. He was good and he did good.
Sr. Downs. Eu lembro, Sra. Downs, a voz.
I understand if you don't want to help me, but I think of you often.
If we don't stop soon, we'll all be dying.
Well, she was a fool then, Arthur.
Ah, um cervo, ó. É o sinal de que o Arthur é uma boa pessoa.
What's wrong with you?
Warner?
Hello, sir. Okay, here we
go.
Like, see,
Hey,
everyone's a liar at this table. That's no
These
lie.
cowboys, I'm tired of them riding.
So, what'll it be?
So?
Now, this is a meal.
Well, well.
Good meal, yeah, okay.
I hear young Bushnell's son does not have.
Oh, hello again, sir. How are things? You look a little, unwell. Yeah, just a cough. Ready when you are. Serious? Well, that's good news, sir. Let me know what I can get you.
So?
Excuse me. The more you play, the more people name keeps.
Bonjour.
Vamos ganhar poker aqui.
Need someone to take over in there?
Sure. Sounds good.
Very well. Relax and I'll do my best.
Oh, yes.
Ain't a woman here do a better job than me. If it gets cold on you, holler.
You might be the friendliest person I've met in this town.
I know. Things get a bit crazy around here sometimes.
I do not like getting older.
Yes, certainly.
I was nearly married once. She never bathed me.
Oh, well, that's something.
So you married?
You sure do ask a lot of questions.
Bom banho.
You feel more relaxed now.
Aí sim, hein?
Goodbye now. I'll see you soon.
Oh, I say. Yes, a bit tight around here.
If you move for it, there's a gang going on over there.
In the street yesterday.
Monsieur? Care to try your luck?
Vamos jogar pouco de poker.
I best not look at my watch and find out how long I've been here.
That's the way of the world. Putting your back into it.
Thank you.
See?
Okay, yes.
Ué, ganhei assim do nada? Olha o Harta doente.
Good.
I'll check.
No.
Check.
This'll do for me nicely.
I'll call.
You under the sun.
All right.
Hey there.
Here we go.
Really good.
I think you're full of it.
Hospice is overflowing. I hear the church has started a new fund.
Oh, I'll raise that.
More flavor for the pot.
That's all?
Colin.
Oh, Lord, you're boring.
Not too bad, huh?
Next round for me, huh?
Huh.
Oh, well.
All right. All right.
Ain't this a fine old time? The best.
Thanks.
These cowboys,
Vamos lá.
them riding through the streets. Okay.
Check.
Well, well.
Vamos lá, check.
Pass.
Still haven't heard from Alice. It's been months.
That's how the screw turns.
I'll check.
Check again? Jeez. Ouais, j'ai entendu parler. Yeah, let's go.
Ganhei.
Mm-hmm. That's as it should be. Come here.
The first time that's happened, unfortunately.
Okay.
Putting your back into it, I see.
All right.
Check.
Check.
There's that bastard from before. Even if he offered me $500,
No.
Check.
only fair. This place.
Nah.
Well, someone's got to raise it.
Not sure I believe that.
One isn't as bone-idle as you, huh?
Well, well. I know. It ain't too exciting.
Huh.
Yep.
Would you look at that?
Ah, no. This ridiculous.
Ó, que desgraçado.
One with that?
I'll take it.
You won't believe old nugget the other day, and then lost it right after.
No. I'm a check. Okay.
I heard that gang's been roving these parts again.
Cet endroit est vraiment connaissable.
Woo! Raise.
No.
No.
I'll raise. Not too bad, huh?
What do you think of this?
Well?
Huh. Well, that's just fine.
Só vou jogar, apostar quando vir carta boa essa aposta.
See ya.
Check.
Check.
More flavor for the pot.
I'm game.
Hey there.
How are you?
All right.
You know,
Raise me? Ain't got me scared.
Feeling a little shy?
So,
I'll raise.
Ain't a coward's game.
Maybe get a drink in you. Loosen
You
you
are
up.
yellow, aren't you? I got deep pockets. Raise.
Tá apostando mais alto.
Well, looky here.
Thought I had something for a minute. Fair enough.
I am blessed.
Are you well?
Yep, on course now. Cool, you're fun. This is... damn. Never win that way.
That's the one. He's a bad man.
Oh, hell.
Já?
You beaut!
I'm gone dry. Damn it.
All right, until next we play.
Them temperance women are back hounding us again.
Where's your...
Yeah. Yes.
You know, they're saying the city's revised charter
call.
doesn't even pretend to...
Oh, shit.
That's the way of the world.
Check. Oh, I'll raise that. I'm a call. Raise me? Ain't got me scared. Call.
Ah, oui.
Woo! Raise. Bigger they are?
Não tem uma carta boa que vem no meu baralho.
Oh, I'll raise that. I got deep pockets. Raise. Sorry to break this to you. Nothing to see on these.
tell me, how is everything?
God damn it.
Thank you.
Little
That's the
Well,
one. He's a bad man.
Vraiment.
Well, well.
That's the rogue over there. What a deplorable human being.
Let's
Oh.
end the suspense. I'll see you.
Agora sim, garoto.
Just a little wager. Oh, for the love of God and all. There we go.
Esse eu não aposto, safado.
It's the getting away from it all more than anything, right? Well, this is proper sport, eh, friends? You're real exciting. Real exciting. Never such a thing.
Vamos ver.
check.
Raise me? Ain't got me scared.
Here, just a little.
Let's go.
That's the road over there. What did the know about a human being?
Well? There we go. Have a look at these.
Dead man walking here.
Things are looking okay.
Yeah, yeah!
Oh, come on.
I heard that gang's been roving
Yep.
these parts.
Ah, agora tô vendo as cartas.
Are you well? I'll check.
I'm still.
I'ma play slow.
Woo! Raise.
Forgive me, it's all I can afford.
I hear young Pushkare's son does not have his father's eyes. Ah.
Yeah, I know. Pretty pathetic.
Let's go on.
Here, just a little.
I'll call.
There you go.
Next round for me, huh?
Mm-hmm.
God damn it.
Damn! Yeah!
Yep, there. I'm almost getting...
In the basement of the store down the street.
Yes.
Yes, indeed.
I got deep pockets. Raise.
Nah.
I'ma see you. No. Just a little wager.
Ain't a coward's game.
Just trying to make ends meet.
That's the way of the world.
You're not one of life's risk takers, huh?
Blaze of glory, huh?
Here.
I'm drawn dead, boys.
Things beginning to look up.
Ah! Obrigado, otário.
Okay. Yeah.
Not the first time that happened.
Ah, agora sim. Derrotar todos na mesa.
All right. That's as it should be. Come here.
I best not look at my watch and find out how long I've been here. Damn me.
That's all you got for us?
Check.
Boats from up north that keep catching fire, they're all insured by the same Serbian.
No.
Bien.
Forgive me. It's all I can afford.
Well then.
That's all? Ooh, real exciting stuff.
Ah, oui.
I know. It ain't too exciting.
Raise me? Ain't got me scared.
Well, ain't you exciting?
Well, looky here. I won! Somehow.
Ganhei, otário!
Mm-hmm. There we go. Let's see what each of us is made of. On the inside, I mean.
I fought with the cook again today.
Ainsi va la vie.
Well,
I'm gonna play slow. I got deep pockets. Raise. That's it. Check.
That's the rogue over there. What a deplorable human being.
Oh.
You play it safe, huh? Never win that way. So, here. Dead man walking here.
That's
Come on.
wrong. He's a bad man.
Haha.
Yep, there. Nothing to see on these. Looking good. Oh,
Yeah.
for the love of God and all. Yep.
Monsieur?
Are you well? Soldering on damn the misery.
Seems like this game wants nothing more to do with me. Bye now.
Vou ganhar de você, seu canalha, agora.
I'll check.
I believe I saw men with pistols at the club last night. Terrifying.
Just a little wager.
Coming to.
I'm game.
Bien.
Yeah, I know. Pretty pathetic.
Hey there, mister.
Hi, fellas.
Here,
Are you interested in
just a
something?
little. Hey, the coward's game. Okay. Here, look. I'm drawn dead, all right, then.
All right.
Yes.
A sorte tá do meu lado.
Well, this is getting too easy. Can I borrow your luck? I'll check.
You know, they're saying the city's revised
okay.
doesn't even pretend to offer subject matter.
That's the way of the world.
Nah. Sorry to break this to you. Yes, that's it. No.
Eu vou ganhar desse canorno aqui. Eu não vou sair daqui.
Let's go.
There's that son of a bitch.
That's as it should be. Come here.
How are you?
I'm just fine.
Uh-huh. Check.
Bien.
Posso apostar.
You're a pretty dull player. All right. Okay. I'ma play slow. Never win
How are
that
things
way.
with you?
I reckon you're full of shit. Well, looky here. I got very little. Ah, garbage. Ah! Little by little. Ah! Mm-hmm. Baby steps.
You look cute tonight. Oh. Mm-hmm.
I'll check.
Essas cartas são boas.
Boring. Forgive me, it's all I can afford. Raise me? Ain't got me
That's
scared.
it?
All right. Sorry to break this to you. I ain't got it. Oh, that's a decent hand. Little by little.
Posso dar um tiro nele?
Check, I think. I got deep pockets. Raise. You're real exciting. Real. Yeah, I know. Pretty pathetic. Good. Real good. Yep, there.
You have an itch needs scratching?
Check.
Plenty more fish in the sea, honey.
Here, just a little. Ain't a coward's game. Oh, you're fun.
Oh, he's a looker, all right.
I know. It ain't too exciting. Never win that way. My guess is you're bluffing. Raise me? Ain't got me scared. Well, looky here. No. This is ridiculous. Well done. Baby steps.
Desgraçado! Difícil ganhar aqui.
I'm a check. Just a little wager. Show 'em. Here. Yeah. Okay. Yes.
I'm always afraid I'm gonna catch my daddy around here.
You ain't lying.
Okay. This is
Annoying. Little by little.
Can't we get any nice guys in here? Damn right.
Vou jogar a última partida.
Check. Forgive me, it's all I can afford.
Raise me? Ain't got me scared.
There's just something so lonely about it. Can I get some of what she's having?
Yeah, I know. Pretty pathetic.
I got deep pockets. Raise.
I'll see you. Have a look.
Sorry to break this to you.
That was fun, but I think I'm calling it quits.
You look like you need to let off some.
Hey, folks. Morning to you. Hello.
Don't let me rush you none.
Bien le bonjour. Sorry, ma'am.
Vou salvar o progresso.
Bonjour, chérie.
Só dormi à tarde. Ah lá, o Arthur tá com tuberculose. Bom, galera, o negócio é o seguinte, eu vou salvar o jogo aqui. A gente continua na próxima parte. Ai, caramba, onde que é? Salvar o progresso aqui. Na encruzilhada, Ardo desmaia e Saint-Denis acorda com uma pessoa desconhecida, arrastando ao consultório médico. Então é isso aí, galera. A gente se vê então na próxima parte. Que Red Dead Redemption 2 descobrindo que a arte está doente, descobriu um novo acampamento dos caçadores. E agora aqui nós estamos num novo cenário aqui. Que o Arthur está com tuberculose. A próxima missão a gente vai tentar resgatar o João Marcos no próximo então, Beleza?